In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Gift Card. If you've received a Binance Gift Card and want to turn it into crypto or local currency, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. Make sure your app is up to date and you've got a stable internet connection so everything runs smoothly from start to finish. Begin by opening the Binance app on your device. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account as you normally would. Complete any security prompts you've set up, and once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Next, scroll down the homepage and look for the section labeled Products. Depending on your app layout, it might also appear under a More or Services menu. Find and select Gift Card. This is where all gift card actions live, including sending or redeeming. For today, we're focusing on redeeming the value on your card. Inside the gift card area, tap Redeem. You'll see options for how you want to receive the value. Choose Redeem to Crypto if you want to convert the gift card into digital assets like USDT, BTC, or other supported coins. This is great if you plan to trade, hold, or use the crypto right away. Alternatively, choose Redeem to Fiat if your region supports it and you prefer to receive the value in your local currency. This can be helpful if you want a straightforward balance in your Fiat wallet for easier withdrawals or spending, depending on what's available in your area. Now it's time to enter your code. Type in the 16-character gift card code exactly as it appears. Be careful with similar-looking characters like 0 and the letter O, and avoid adding any spaces. Take a moment to double-check the code before you continue. It's worth the extra second to prevent an error message or a failed attempt. When you're confident the code is correct, tap Redeem. You should see a confirmation on screen. If you chose crypto, the asset will appear in the appropriate wallet, typically your funding or spot wallet, depending on your app settings. If you chose fiat, look for the updated balance in your fiat wallet. If you don't see the balance right away, try refreshing the page or checking your wallet history. In case you encounter an error, verify the code and try again. If issues persist, reach out to Binance support. That's all there is to it. Keep your gift card code private and enjoy your newly redeemed balance. Thanks for watching and happy redeeming.